How are apples made into cider? After the apples are ripe, put them in this big pond, rinse them with water first, and then enter the conveyor bag in turn, and the conveyor bag will bring them into the shredder, and the apples need to be processed a second time before grinding. The second wash, this time the wash will be more detailed than the first. Now the conveyor belt pushes the apples one by one into the mincer, which chops them up and pulverizes them all. The minced pulp falls into a funnel, which is then piped to the press using a suction device. In a press, the pulp flows between two rollers, which apply pressure to squeeze the juice out of the pulp. This process filters out most of the pulp, and the juice squeezes out into a large collection pan. The juice is then pumped through a pipe into another filter tank, where a rotating drum filters out the pulp still present, before flowing into a large container. There is now only a small amount of pulp-separated sediment in the juice, and heating of the juice begins. Heating destroys pathogens and bacteria present in the juice. After heating, just wait for the natural sugar in it to convert to alcohol. After completing this series of processes, it can be flattened. Workers slid the plastic jug into position under the spout, which lowered and pumped boiling hot cider into the jug. In order to prevent air from entering and causing deterioration, each jug is injected into the position of the bottle mouth, so that air cannot enter. The conveyor belt moves the filled plastic jugs forward to the capping area, with each lid facing the plastic jug in the correct orientation. As the plastic jug approaches the caps fall perfectly on each bottle, and the spinning rollers then tighten each cap. Hot packing can give these ciders a shelf life of about a year or so. The encapsulated plastic jug now goes into the tunnel, where the sprayer sprays it with cold water to cool it. Use the machine to brand each jug of cider when you're done. The previously filtered pulp is made into applesauce, which is cooked for 4 to 5 hours, which caramelizes the sugars in the apples, and is then packaged in glass jars for sale. Follow me to take you to learn more interesting knowledge.